Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Jo here. I hope everybody is well. For today's project, I'm doing my bathroom tiles with tile stickers. I bought these in November from Aliexpress and they came just before Christmas, and I've been super excited to do this video. So the ones that I bought are in the top left hand corner. I bought 2 packs and I paid less than £6 including postage. And then I also bought some gold tape. Again, this is for tiles, and I got the smallest size, which was 0.5 centimeters. They do different sizes, and I bought 1 spool of this, and this is to go along the grout in the tiles. And you can use these on flooring tiles or on bathroom tiles or any kitchen tiles, any kind of tiles that you've got. And yeah, I'm excited to show you how it turned out. So here are the tile stickers and the waterproof gold tape, and they came wrapped around some polystyrene tubing, so they were nice and protected in the post. And I've just rolled them out and made them nice and flat. And when I started this, I wasn't too sure if I was going to have enough gold tape to do all the tiles, and I ended up with quite a lot of excess, so 1 was enough for me. And yeah, I'll take you into the bathroom and show you the tiles that I've got up to now. And I do have some wall stickers already on the tiles, and these are the ones that I've got. So here are the wall stickers that I've already got on my tiles, and it's the Paris theme, and I've also got the Eiffel Tower on my shower screen. I've had these on for about 5 years and they've never come off. And I cleaned everything yesterday using sugar soap and Windoline for the glass, and then just flash bathroom for the rest of the tiles and the bath. And this is the area that I'm going to be using the tile stickers on. So I'm going to do the whole of the tiles. I'm going to leave the band at the bottom where the scene is, and then I'm also going to do the front of the bath panel as well. So let's get set up. So a quick note, I prefer baths than showers, so I very rarely use the shower, so that's why I'm doing the whole of the tile section. I'm not too sure how well the tile stickers will hold up under the shower, but like I said, I very rarely use it, so it will be fine. And I'm going to start by using the gold tile sticker first, and I'm going to do it in small sections. It's waterproof and it comes like this. It's got a plastic seal over the top, and it just has a white backing on that you pull off to glue to the tiles. And I'm just going to start at the top and work my way down. I'm not going to show you me doing the whole of the tiles because it took a couple of hours, but I'm going to speed up the camera and you can see me do a small section. And here it is with all the gold in place. Now, what I did notice was that this stuff doesn't stick to grout. It really sticks to tiles and it's absolutely fantastic. But the grout, it really wasn't sticking to. So I wish I'd have got the thicker gold tape so that it had more tile surface that it would stick to than just the grout. So I don't know how well this is going to stay on. I'm hoping it'll last a little while. I might get some more in a thicker gold and redo it at some point. But I'm just going to see how I get on for now. But now I'm going to start to add the stickers into the center. So everywhere that the gold crosses, I'm going to add the stickers, and then I'm also going to cut some of the stickers in half and put them along the top and the bottom as well. So this is what it looks like at the moment. I've put the half tile stickers at the top, but I've not put them at the bottom yet. I'll do that in a second. But it's completely transformed the tiles. I live in a rented accommodation, so that means that I can't really do a lot of DIY stuff. So this is a really quick, cheap and easy way of just sprucing up the tiles that were already there. But now I'm going to add a little bit of gold tape around the tiles above the sink. Again, like exactly the same as I've done around the bath, like so. And now I'm going to do something to the front of the bath to tie it all in together. So I'm thinking I'm just going to do a gold strip across the top, put some of the tile stickers in the center, and then do another gold strip underneath. And here we are, completely finished. So it took me about 4 hours in total, and I'm absolutely amazed at how much they've transformed my bathroom. And it's really given me the idea that I would love to paint my bathroom gold. I'm going to speak to my landlord and see if he'll let me, because I think it would just finish off the whole thing completely. And it's very ornate, and I wanted my bathroom to be completely over the top. Done a lot of craft projects for my bathroom, and I've still got a few more before it's finished. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this has turned out, and for less than £10 it's absolutely, like I said, transformed my bathroom. I love exactly how the gold looks and the tile stickers in between each of the tiles, and I'm glad that I kept the Paris scene around the bottom. I am going to add something else just above the Paris scene at some point, so you'll see that in a future video. But yeah, I loved my bathroom, and it's coming together so well. And yeah, like I said, I've got a few other things to do. I really think it'd look nice painted gold, so I'll hopefully, fingers crossed, my landlord will let me do it. I will be back on Monday with my next craft project, and I'm still in the middle of making my wrought iron paper mache wall hanging for above my picture frames here, and hopefully that will be ready for Wednesday. So I've got another little small project that will be on Monday. But until then, take care, guys. I hope it's giving you some ideas of what you can do. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and taking the time, and I'll see you all on Monday. Have a great weekend and the rest of the week. Love you guys loads. See you, and bye for now.